Oh shit, the dispo dogs are on the loose. We in the vet today. How many deals are we gonna go sell right now?
All of them.
How many do we got to sell?
About 5, 6.
5 or 6. How many we sold already this week? And it's only Wednesday. We've already sold 4.
4? You're even selling one, dude.
Shit, that's 5. And it's only Wednesday, baby. Alright, so we're gonna go to the east side. We're gonna go look at some deals. Got my girl Jess, got Eduardo. We got Jesse in the whip. My boys out here. We're gonna show you how to sell off-market real estate in style, baby. Right, Jess?
Yeah.
Let's get it. Man, we've been on fire, Jess.
Yeah.
How many deals we sold? It's Wednesday right now, middle of the afternoon. Just this week, we've already sold. This is the 5th deal of the week. We're barely on Wednesday. And we're close on like 3 more. So it's looking like maybe a 10, 12 sell week. Yeah, it gets crazy, guys. Like, y'all don't understand how focused we are right now. Like me, Jess, the whole sales team, like we're on point and we're ready to make some waves, right?
Yeah.
So right now we're going to the sales team. We're gonna go look at all the deals that we got left to sell. We got like 5 more to go look at, or 6, and we're gonna see how we're gonna make these sell.
Eddie, what are you close on?
All of them.
All of them?
All of them.
No, man. Jesus says that he's got all of them.
I got a lead right now in Palmetto, baby.
Yeah?
Palmetto, I'm gonna wait on the call. Waiting on the call.
And then JR over here.
I might surprise y'all, dog. I might surprise you. I'm not even in sales, and I might make a sale today. How about that? Hold on, watch. I just want y'all to pay attention real quick. I might just break the company record real quick. Fastest record. Oh, Jess has the record right now. Did I break it or no?
7 days.
And I really sold them like 3 days ago. I just didn't do it but I'll still give Jess the record.
I got the record. It didn't close, but dude, it was still the fastest sell.
Just look inside. Just look at the group chat real quick. But Janice sold, baby. How many is that for the week? 5?
5. Every dispo agent got to sell this week.
All right, let's go, dog.
Down the middle, we aren't bad.
Nachos,
The wings are super good. Check out over there.
Sweet potato fries, baby.
You got some brisket matches?
Wait, no, taco.
This is how we celebrate.
Thank you for bringing us here, man. This is like
Delicious. La tuna.
10 out of 10.
No, not La tuna. No. No. But you could get the name back, right?
No, we can't. We're the Ridge at the Hill.
The Ridge at the Hill.
Ridge at the Hill.
There you go. The Ridge at the
It
Hill.
used to be La Tuna
So don't
Hill.
say that one no more?
No
Oh,
more.
okay, all right.
Well, we used to be.
Used to be.
It was a family thing.
Yeah. It still is. La
It's
Tuna
still in the
Hill,
soul.
The Ridge at the Hill.
All right, the Ridge at the Hill.
The originator.
The originator?
Well, we originated the name, but we can't call it that anymore. So now the Ridge at the Hill because government has.
Woo.
That's
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
Fire food. Jesus walked out. I'm like, what the hell? Why'd you walk out, Jesus?
I had a call. I had a call, baby. I had a call.
Damn, dude, I'm sleeping, dog. I'm sleeping.
So this is the east side of San Antonio, what you're looking at right here. So Eddie skip traced these people right here because obviously there's a flip right next door, right? So what did they say about that?
They rehabbed that one, got it flipped. Right now they're actually busy with a couple other projects, but I try to give them an opportunity right next to one that they know they know the outcome.
Right next door. I would like that interests me. If I'm an investor and you call me with one right next door, shoot, So this is how the numbers work, right? So the ARV after repair value, after you repair this house, it's gonna be worth about $220. So we're gonna see about how much work it needs, and we're selling it for about $115. So let's take a look. I'm gonna show you what we look for and how we're doing this. All right. So first thing right off the bat, what does this need?
Cosmetic.
Sure. That's definitely damn sure. Foundation. You look at the big 4. What are the big 4?
Foundations, roof,
Electrical.
HVAC, and
So plumbing and electrical. Foundation, plumbing, electrical. All right. Roof. So it's gonna need all of the above, I'm sure. What I would do if I was doing this house, first thing you do is you level it. All right. So it's gonna need. I would say this house right here. Let's look at it. I would say this house is it's on pier and beam. it's probably gonna need like anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000 in foundation work. All right. So second thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna gut this kitchen out. You can't use any of this in 2023, right? This is all old school stuff. I'm gonna come replace. I'll probably replace all the windows, all the bathrooms, texture everything, put all new trim everywhere, all new flooring, sheetrock texture, paint, boom. That's what I would do. So right here in the inside of this house, it needs everything. So I'm gonna walk around the outside. I'll tell you more or less how much I think I'll pay to rehab. So you can work with all this. All this siding needs to come off. You need to replace a bunch of this siding. Just off looking at it, this house is gonna need anywhere, depending on your contractors and your expertise, anywhere from 50 to 60, easy. It needs everything. But that's like a healthy budget, in my opinion. That's like what I could get it done for. I could probably get it done for like about 50. And then also you got this extra little casita on the back, I would call it, or a little, it's a big shed. You know what I mean? You can run electrical into that. It's big enough. And you could probably even throw a little water in there, make a little, that can be something for sure. It's a nice built structure. So that's a bonus. Yeah, those studio.
Definitely help with some rent.
So this is a good deal. This is a good deal. We should be able to sell this easily. So the thing about selling to an investor is you got to paint the picture. You got to tell them of what it can be. Paint the picture for them, right? Man, look at all this potential this deal has. Not only that, we're on one of the fastest growing zip codes in the whole city and one of the fastest growing cities in America. All right, so this thing's going to appreciate like crazy, right? This is an asset you want to hold on to. Back in the next 5 years, an investor's going to be like, damn, I should have bought that. Because this thing's going to be worth probably 50K more in 5 years. 10 years, easy, 50K. So it's something you want to hold on to. You can flip it as well. The numbers are there. But you can Airbnb it. This is a deal right here. I know a deal when I see one. What questions y'all got? If y'all got any questions, drop it in the comment section. We'll make it like a little live and I'll go and make sure and answer them, all right? If y'all are watching and y'all aren't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, all right? You think you can sell it?
Stuff. Yeah, hell yeah. I can sell anything.
There you go.
So what we like to do as a disposition team is go out to the surrounding area of the property that we're trying to sell and look for rent signs, for any flips, fresh flips, any new construction. We'll get off, talk to the team, see if we could get down or find the actual investor. Any sort of signs, man. We'll call them and see if we could connect somehow.
Come across new investors with this method, so
It's people that are actually doing these rehabs.
people are actually currently buying it.
You can see it. It's data. It's data. It's all in the numbers.
We're dropping nuggets for your newbie wholesalers.